Hello everyone, welcome back. Are you tired of spending hours making ads and social posts? Let's talk about Holo AI, the marketing tool that everyone's buzzing about. Holo is an AI tool that makes ads, social posts, and emails that match your brand. You give it your website link and it learns your style in minutes, no design skills needed. The tool scans your website to understand your brand's tone, style, and who you're talking to. This is called brand DNA. Once it knows your brand, it creates content that sounds like you wrote it yourself. Users report finishing work 75 times faster than normal. It works in over 90 languages, which helps you sell to different countries. You can run up to 5 brands in one account. The swipe feature is cool. Just swipe through ideas until you find one you like. One user said they saved tons of time with output that looks like a design company made it. Product images can look wrong sometimes though. Some users say it needs a lot of fixes before content is ready, and text on images can look messy. You still do need to check everything before posting, guys. Video features are also not fully ready yet. The plan starts at around $59 per month. There's no free trial, but they give you 14 days to get your money back if you don't like it. It's great for agencies handling multiple clients and online stores that need lots of content fast. If you're a solo founder or small team, this could save you hours every week. Is Holo the best AI marketing tool? It's solid for creating branded content quickly, but you'll still need to review and fix things. If you want to post more often without hiring a designer, give it a try. But just know it's not perfect yet. That's it for today's video, guys. Let us know in the comments if you ever do try Holo AI out, and I'll see you in the next video.